Hey babes, I am back with another hair video. This video is a review of Lavy hair. I received this wig, which is a 13 by 4 lace front in a brown color. Super pretty, super chocolatey. It has 130 of density and it's 18 inches. I'm gonna start off by, of course, slicking back my baby hairs so they don't get on the way with some gel and, a baby hair brush. Then I moved on to put foundation on my wig cap and the inside of my wig. This is a very important step that you don't want to miss if you want your lace to look like skin. It has to match your skin tone. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer to make sure, the foundation is all dry before I move on to installing the hair. Now that I have the hair on, I like to make sure, the hair is in place and it's centered with my head. So when I cut it, it's all good. And I like to start cutting off the sides of my wig so it fits around my ears so I can be comfortable and, the wig looks good. You gotta make sure you cover everything. You gotta make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. After that, I'm going to, of course, go ahead and cut the lace in 3 sections. This is just a little trick to make the installation a lot easier. If you are a beginner, that's a step that you should be taking in order to make sure you are doing everything right. I'm going to be using Ebine lace spray. That's my favorite at the moment. It lasts up to a week. And if I want to take the wig out earlier than that, I can always do it because it's just spray and it can come out whenever. I do about 3 coats. I think I did 4. I made sure to blow dry it a little bit in between layers until it all got super tacky. And then I place the lace wares on top of it. And I started melting it with my small comb and my blow dryer, and then I went and repeat the same steps on the other 2 sides. I also like to start with the middle section because I feel like it gives me, direction when installing the wig. If I start with the sides, I might be off by a few centimeters or millimeters, so I feel like starting with the center, it just gives me the best position. Anyways, so I melt down the wig with my blow dryer in a cool setting and my comb. As you guys can see, I'm just, going through the lace with the comb. And then I went ahead and I took my baby hairs out and I put a elastic band, which I think I lost the clip, but you guys know how to put an elastic band. There's nothing new about that. You guys can already see how well the lace it's melting into my skin and how well it's looking. I'm already excited, even though I feel like I don't really show much with my face, but I was really already excited by this time. While I had my elastic band on, I went ahead and I started pressing the top of the wig with my hot comb and some wax stick to make sure it lays flat. A flat wig, baby, that's success. You want your head to look flat. You don't want your lace to be bulky. You're gonna see how flat my wig is gonna look. That's how you want yours. So follow my steps. I like to work in sections because it helps me make sure every single part of this wig it's in place. You can always do the whole thing all the way, but I feel like when you're doing a side part, you want to make sure you are working in sections little by little and giving the hair love it deserves. Now that I'm satisfied with the press, I'm gonna remove my elastic band. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. For these, you wanna use a small razor, is one of those eyebrow razors, and you wanna lift the lace towards the hair and start cutting, making sure you're not cutting your skin because it's very easy to hurt yourself with these little razors. I've cut myself way too many times. After you're done cutting your lace, you're gonna notice that it lifted a little bit. That's completely normal. You're putting some tension on it, so of course it's gonna come out a little bit, mostly on the sides. And to fix that, you're just gonna need some more of the lace spray, and you can use the back of your comb. I like to use the back of my little razor thing because I don't know, I'm just used to that. And you're gonna use your blow dryer and a cool setting again, and you're just gonna make sure everything is glued down. A little bit goes a long way with the spray, and it's just gonna melt everything right away. I went ahead and I put my elastic band one more time, and then I'm gonna move on to styling the hair, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this part of the video, and then I'll come back with some more tips and tricks. And by the way, to style the hair, I decided to do some pin curls because I feel it would give the hair a little bit more volume since it's only 130 density, and as you guys can see, it wasn't as full as other hairs that I've tried. Okay guys, my hair is all curled and pinned up, and I'm back. Now I'm gonna work on the baby hairs. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them with my scissors, which I need new ones because those are huge and they're starting to get annoying. And then I'm gonna use my small flat iron. I don't know the exact name of this flat iron, but that's what I got. And then after I'm done curling my baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the pins because I don't like the super, tight curls, but I like my curls to be tight enough and loose enough at the same time. I don't know if it makes sense, but you guys are gonna see how I like it. And then I'm gonna use a wide tooth comb and I'm gonna go through the curls. After that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the final details. I'm gonna clean my part with some concealer, and I'm gonna lay my baby hairs with a baby hair brush and some gel. And yeah guys, I'm gonna brush my hair a little more. I'm gonna go over with the hot comb one more time, and then I'm gonna brush my hair, and that it's all for this video. And you guys, the results are to die for. I love this hair. I love the color. I feel like it suits me very well, and I'm really not that mad about the fact that the hair is not a stick. It makes it look even more natural because it looks like I dyed my hair and I got a silk press, and I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it and love the look as much as I do. If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure you like this one and you subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment what you think, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Muchísimos besitos. Mwah.